guys, it's finally here! The moment that probably no one was waiting for. My second YouTube channel is here. I know, it's happening. Oh, and by the way, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you. On this channel, I want to share with you my other passion, which is photography and B-rolls. I want to mainly focus on product photography, sneakers, accessories, and a little bit of food photography as well, because clearly I like to eat. I'm gonna show you how to create your home studio and how to get professional results on a budget. And when I say on a budget, I mean almost zero budget. I'm well aware that I'm not Carl Taylor or Peter McKinnon, but hey, everyone needs to start somewhere, right? So let's go on this journey together. And a little bit about me. I work in media for over a decade now. I used to be a beauty journalist and video producer. I created content for some of the top beauty brands, but at that time I had an amazing crew that made my vision come to life. But I think I've learned one or two things on the way, and I spent hours, days, weeks, months educating myself and simply learning from trial and error. I want to take you backstage of my shoots. I want to show you my workflow, how I edit pictures and videos. I will probably do occasional gear reviews as well, and simply I just want to show you how to take better pictures and videos so you can rock your Instagram feed or your YouTube channel. I will try to upload weekly, but we'll see where the life's gonna take us. So if you wanna level up your photography skills, just grab your camera, consider subscribing, and let's go.